Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you how to react on BeReal posts. First, we should open the BeReal application, and now here you'll see the feed with your friends' BeReals. Just to react on the BeReal to your friends, or just not to your friends, to just everyone on BeReal, you should first just tap here to this emoji icon, and for example you wanna just give the smile emoji, maybe real emoji. I think this is real emojis, so you should just click here to this real emoji, and just to we should capture our first our own representation, and then click here to continue. So now we can use just not only one time, but you can react with your just this smile to everyone on just of your BeReal friends, or just to everyone on in BeReal application. Now you can see here your reaction. You can also comment something, or you can change also your BeReal emoji, for example, to another one. So now let's just tap to continue, and now you can switch so your real emoji here. So that's it. That's how to give reactions to the BeReal posts. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.